Hey Jake, I made one phone call. I got the same house as you. Same cars too, it's really not that hard. Oh hey, by the way, welcome to the top, little brother. Feels good, huh? But let's not forget how you got here. Little brother Jake, he trying to roast me. What? Little brother standing on his own 2 feet. Not for long. I'm a dog, you're a puppy, call you calm. Let's talk about your garbage that you call a song. It should be every other day, just some strong advice. I made you famous once, it's about to happen twice. Yeah, you on Disney, but who helped you read all your lines? Me? Don't forget, boy, you were my shadow on Vine. Now you got a few subscribers and you think that you're the shit. I'll admit, you got money, you got bars, you got chick, but you're a dick. You ain't thankful for your fans, it's kinda funny. Do your investors know Team 10 ain't making any money? See, it starts with the talent, but it's hard when you got none. I think you kinda salty cause I'm the favorite son. I'm a maverick, you're a sidekick, yeah, I brought you to LA. If there's one thing you should know, you don't fuck with the Logan. Hold up, I'm a dork, looking at your face, you don't know what it means to grow. Trying to dance and act the class is doing nothing, now you try to back. Come on, hold up, cash the flow, you can't know. Every team still got it, I mean that's how you grow. But you still can't sell out any shows, no, you still can't find some matching clothes. You're just killing the vibe, yeah. You ain't doing it right, yeah. Trying to play ball with the dogs, you don't know what you done, you're just ruining your life, yeah. You're killing the vibe, yeah. You ain't doing it right, yeah. Trying to play ball with the dogs, you don't know what you done, you're just ruining your life, yeah. What happened, Jake, man, we used to love each other. After all, we came from the same mother. Biologically, you know that makes us brothers. So much negativity, it really makes me wonder. I feel like you just need a maverick shirt. When you insult me, Jakey, it really hurts. Sometimes I wish my real brother was dark. But now I gotta go and put you in the dirt. Whoa, wait, what? Hold up, why the music stop?
Bruh.
Music, bro. There is a second verse, but I'm not gonna release it. Jake owned up to his mistakes this morning and he apologized to me, us, the Logan, and Why Don't We?
So sorry Logan, and sorry Logan again. And I also want to apologize to the Why Don't We boys.
I took Jake's lyrics very personally. Like, they upset me, they really did. And I don't get upset often, but as someone who is the bigger brother, as someone who wants to be a role model, I'm going to step down before the damage is irreversible. I love my brother. Jake, I love you, bro. I am so happy for your successes, but it is taking every fiber in my body to not release the second verse, but it is the right thing to do. I do everything that I do for the fans, and it means so much to me when I see you guys wearing my merch, when you greet me in the streets, and the fact that you guys give me the most precious commodity that humans have, which is your time. It means the world to you guys. It was great influence, it was great responsibility, and I want to be a role model for the world. So Logan, we're getting deep, bro. This is weird, but thank you guys for giving me your time day in and day out. I am honored to have you in my life, and Logan Paul for president 2032. Let's go. Okay, there is one thing that I want to address.
He has way more followers than me when you add everything up together. And so I thought people would think it was a joke, like by me saying like I have more subscribers than him. Like that's literally the only platform I think I have more followers than him on.
Nope, I got 2 channels, boy. 7.3 million. Merch link in the description. I'm dropping the second verse. Just kidding. Subscribe and join the Logan community. That's it.